Today is one of the worst traffic jam in Bali, except for during New Year. But New Year is anticipated. This one fucked up because last night thunderstorm, rain the whole night, all over Bali, flooded. So jam like shit. People are going back to the airport. Fuck them. They gotta change flight. Bye bye. No way they can reach the airport because the underpass to the airport is fully flooded until the top of the cars, until the roof of the cars. Habis. And then there are few cars which are stranded there, so blocking the road. Selamat Hari Raya. So they gotta stay here one more night, change flight. I'm sure they used to, but today is fucked up. I'll show you some videos that I took while trying to use the smaller road. Jalan tikus pun banjir. Jalan besar jangan cakap. Even bikes pun jam. Tak bergerak. Jalan semua banjir lah. Macam mana ni? Mari main air. Eza, nak belasah tak? Should we belasah?
No,
Banjir?
no, turn back.